The iPhone 11 Pro is still an amazing phone, but you can no longer purchase it brand new in the Apple Store. The most likely reason and the biggest knock on the iPhone 11 Pro is that it is over 3 years old. It also doesn't run 5G, which in 2022 and beyond is a letdown, especially with major cities where 5G is now easily available. So why would you still want an iPhone 11 Pro? Well, it's still an amazing phone with excellent battery life and amazing camera quality. This is the Amazon renewed Apple iPhone 11 Pro 250GB space grade version, which is unlocked, which means that you can use it with any carrier. So what are Amazon renewed phones? They are refurbished products that are fully functional, in excellent condition, and backed by the 90-day Amazon Renewed guarantee. This means the phone has been professionally inspected, tested, and cleaned by Amazon qualified vendors. Now, I know sometimes it can be a little bit luck of the draw, but the one that I got looks absolutely amazing. It is in excellent condition. I've used it for several months with no problems whatsoever, and as you can see, there are no major scratches or anything like blemishes. It overall functions just like a brand new iPhone 11 Pro. I still get all the latest software updates, and because this one is unlocked, I just popped in a prepaid SIM card and it worked absolutely fine. You can use any carrier because it is unlocked. And once again, because you are backed by the Amazon renewed 90-day guarantee for this iPhone, you have nothing to worry about if you don't like the phone and wanted to return it. This gave me the confidence to purchase this Amazon renewed iPhone 11 Pro, and I'm glad I did because it is still an amazing phone at a great budget price. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.